Hello guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube channel from Windows 10 PC or laptop. For creating a YouTube channel from your PC, you have to go youtube.com first. Then you have to select here logo. Then you have to go YouTube Studio. Now you are seeing that a YouTube channel name have to given. I'm here alien 4 R is given. You can choose a handle name for an unique name. I'm writing here for RRR. Here the unique handle name and here the channel name. So the you have to select create channel. Now you are seeing that a channel is created. Then you can customize your channel cover and logo from branding option. If you want to change here, you can choose any type of pic which is 98 into 98 pixel or less than 4 MB, which is PNG. Use a PNG or GIF, no animation. GIF, no animation, which has no animation. Then you can upload a banner from YouTube channel. I'm giving this. Now we are seeing that a banner is created. Now click done. Then you have to select publish. Now I am going to check from channel. Simply click on it, view channel on YouTube. Now you are seeing that a channel is created with a banner and with a logo. So that's all. Thanks for watching. You can also create your about info from your channel customization option. Click basic info. Here you can see the channel description, what type of channel it is, and click it gaming because it is a testing channel, so I am not writing too many lines. You can add link from here, such as your Facebook link, Instagram link. Give your URL here and name the title Facebook or Instagram. I am showing you example. I am clicking it Facebook, and you have to go to your Facebook profile. Then copy the URL and paste it, then publish. Now I am going to check it is created or not. Now you are seeing that link is updated. So that's all. Thanks for watching.